Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today I want to tell you about how I fixed my Scion TC rear hatch panel that fell off. It's a very common issue within Scion TCs and the hatchbacks. That back panel that goes right over your lights and right where your trunk release is. It's very common for that to come off because the clips for them are plastic and over time they wear and break after repeated use. And if you guys have seen my previous video, I pretty much show you how I break into my Scion TC to release the trunk without that panel there. But now I have finally actually got the panel, so I don't have to break into my trunk anymore. Thank God. I ended up getting it on eBay. It ended up costing $43. Let me make sure that I have that right. Yeah, $43 with shipping and everything. I'll put the link below for the one that I got. You can get different variations. You can get it primed. You can get it painted. Paint it to whatever color you need. You can get it with the Scion logo, without the Scion logo. You can get it with the rubber grommet, without the rubber grommet. And the reason why I ended up getting it from this particular listing was because it included the rubber grommet, which I needed because mine essentially melted off. So that was really important to me. I didn't really need the Scion logo. My old panel, I still have it even though it's broken. I was like, I can pull the Scion logo off of there. But I needed the tailgate piece, which here it is. I kept it in the plastic because I of course don't want it to get scratched or anything. That's what it looks like. Here's what it comes with. It comes with new and improved clips that are metal, so it will last longer, won't break as easily as the last one. This that you see right here, this is not the logo. That's just like the adhesive, so you can take your old logo and adhere it to this. And then it comes with screws. Where are the screws at? The screws down at the bottom to put it on. I haven't put it on yet. I will probably put another video out like with the before and after or some pictures of the before after just so you guys can see what it looks like. But I got the primed one. The reason for that being I have a black Scion and I'm probably just going to sell it, but it was keyed, so I'm going to have some paint touch up anyways, so I'm probably just going to have them put the actual, I believe it's like pearl black paint on this when they fix that paint on the side of the car, so that's why I got it primed. You can get it painted, pre-painted to match and everything. Just note that it's probably going to be off a little bit on the paint because the paint you have on your car is probably worn, sun, the weather elements and everything on it. So even though you get one to match, it may look a little different. So just note that. But that of course costs a little extra. This was a little cheaper. I'm gonna have to pretty much pay anyways for when they do the painting on it. But here's what the box looks like. Motor King Premium. It came pretty quickly via priority mail, as you can see. But this Motor King, you may want to just check out their website. I didn't know what the brand, I don't think the listing had the brand name for the part on it. Otherwise, I probably would have just gone to Motor King and seen if I could order it direct from their website. If it would have been a cheaper price, like at a wholesale price or a direct price or whatever, cut out the middleman. But hey, what can you do? 43 bucks for this to fix a problem is pretty reasonable. But hopefully this can help you guys. So if you've been looking for this and you don't know where to get it, I'll include the link below like I said. Or if you want to check out Motor King and see if you can get it direct. Or I've seen this part on Walmart.com, Amazon, Alibaba, which is like a China wholesaler. They usually have a minimum order requirement and it usually takes longer to get here because it's coming from China. Where else have I seen it? Facebook Marketplace, different part sellers online. You can go to a junkyard, of course, and get a used one there as well. Those are just some thoughts and alternatives on where to get it. I ended up going for this one because, like I said, I kept finding good tailgate pieces, the rear panel garnish. I think that's what they call it. What did they call this, actually, so you know what it's called? Black tailgate garnish hatchback door. A lot of them had that, but they didn't have that rubber grommet, which I needed. So that's why I ended up going with this one. But I know that I've had some people comment on my last video asking on where to find this piece. So that's why I want to put this out and let you guys know. Hopefully I can save you some time and money and hassle. I think I even went from Coupon Cabin or Ebates, which I think is now called Rakuten, for like an extra 1 or 2% off or something. So if you want to save a couple extra cents or bucks or whatever the difference is. Keep that in mind too. You might want to look there. But I'll include the link below. Mine is a 2008 Scion TC, but this part, I believe it said on the listing, will fit anywhere from a 2005 to 2010. So just make sure that you're checking to make sure that your year model matches the year model for the part and everything like that. Now, if the listing I put below is sold out for any reason, just maybe check the related items when you scroll down on the eBay listing, or recommended items, whatever it's called. It should be able to pop up some items that should work, some related items if this particular one happens to be sold out. But I just want to help direct some people so you don't waste some time searching all around for whatever it is that you need. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. If this helped, please do give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please do subscribe. But I hope this helped at least one person out there, you guys. As usual, desire to inspire and seek inspiration every day. I will see you on the next video. Love ya. Bye.